We'll go to our this folder, open containing folder, components. Okay, I will go here cmd. Okay, and I am going to create 4 component. Which component we have to create? Header, left, footer, content, and if there is right then right. Okay na? So what I have to do, nggc angular, G for generate, C for component, and first header header component, header. ठीक है ना? I am going to click on this. वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्मॉल करेगा, that's why I wanted to show you. Even I have created right at the H capital, it is going to have blocked the notification, even then it is coming. Okay, so even I have created the H capital. Okay, it has created the file name header.component.html. ठीक है ना? So that's the way it's work. ठीक है, अगर if I will write that left menu, okay, and you see how file name is created. That's why I specifically write that thing. If I have created this left menu, L is small, and after the menu, before menu we use the dash. This is the convention of creating the file names in the open source technologies. ठीक है ना? So M is become the small, and previously we have add the dash. ठीक है ना? So it's automatically do that for you. Left menu, header is done, left menu is done. Okay, and then footer. Okay, and if I will go here and I will go back, okay, table data. So if I will say this is the user information, ठीक है ना? I will say content and user table, user list, user list, right? I am creating 2 contents, user list and sales list. I will create. ठीक है ना? I have created the I have created the components. Okay, still there is any issue to anyone? No, it is the easiest thing to create the component. In we have first phase we have integrated the CSS. Now in second phase what we have done, we have created the component. We have not used it yet. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to go to my page, whatever the I have page copied from here, and you will see that they have added one class into the body page toolbar. ठीक है ना? Okay, in class they have not, oh sorry, they have not added any class on the body. One more thing you have to remember, if you are the UI developer, ठीक है ना, you should not add any class into the body. That is the first thing is the Angular says. And we can add the body also class, but that will become always be the complicated situation. As you generally write start some classes from body, na, you should try to avoid that to externally add, because body is not in control of the Angular. Body is the external part of the Angular. We can use the body as a, we can control that, but it's become little the complicated. So we should not, we try to avoid put any class into the body. So they will not put any class here, it is blank. What I have to do, I have to copy paste the full CSS, full page. Okay, excluding this JavaScript. No, I am not going to use any JavaScript, excluding this JavaScript. So what I am going to do is I am going to delete this JavaScript. Okay, this also JavaScript I am deleting. We should not use any JavaScript on the HTML page. And body to body I am going to copy, Control C. Okay, okay, I have copied the all thing excluding JavaScript, because we don't want any JavaScript on our page. We have removed all JavaScript tags and we are copying the everything, and I am going on my page app component.html. ठीक है ना? Go Control A, Control V. अरे again कंट्रोल एस, ठीक है ना, एंड let's see that my page, go to localhost 4200. It should seamlessly equivalent of the page. Let's see that it's coming or not. First time it is coming, it's coming the 100% same page. Okay, still I have not done much, right? Only these icons are not coming. We'll see that later why these icons are not coming, but other things are looks okay, right? Any issue? If you are able to get it, you are able to integrate the any pages in that, ठीक है ना? So first step is what? Integration of the CSS. Second step, you have to remove all JavaScript and put the HTML here, ठीक है ना? And now what we have to do? Now we have to do everything from the our this part only. So if you will see that, if I will logo area, okay, so there is one logo area is there, ठीक है ना, and quick area is, I don't know what is quick area, but might be this logo area is there, which is considered as the header. Control X this and go to component, put this in the header part. Oh, it is nothing, ठीक है ना? So but what I have to do is, I'm going to come, I don't want first component.html. These component which I have created last week, they are not we are going to use. I have cut that and I have used this control S. If I will go here, what is difference in our page? I believe is the same. So logo area is was doing nothing, ठीक है ना? So if I will go here, quick access area, what is this quick access area is? I am going to do control X, ठीक है, मैंने सब कुछ हटा दिया, control S. I am going to view this page, how it's looking. So if you will see that top area is gone, matlab this is our nothing but my header. So what I am going to do is, I am going to put this thing, whatever I had done the control X, I am going to put this thing control S, okay, and what I have to do is, first thing I have to copy this header component.html, control C, and from where I had cut this, from here na, अभी भी मेरा page again it should come back on the original position. आ गया? अब मेरे को आई हैव टू टॉक विद दिस लेफ्ट मेनू. तो लेफ्ट मेनू अपना यहाँ पे बंद कहाँ रहा है, हम लोग ये देखते हैं. तो आई बिलीव दिस इज द पेज कंटेनर दे आर सेइंग. What you did from the page to this component. Last time also what I have done, element tag I have copy and put here. Last week if you remember the first element section, I have first I was putting this name to here. That's why last week I have given the first introduction to give you the this app. First we have to use the selector, copy this selector and put anywhere. It will give you the HTML inside of that, right? That thing we have learned in last week. So you have to every week you have to revise that, and you have not created your notes. Only Neha and Praveen has created notes and they have shared. So you have created notes. So you should create the notes. Even then only you will understand the value of every small topic. Okay, na? Because every topic is important. What I am teaching here might be on the same day you will feel this is nothing, but after some days you will feel that you will forget that. So if you will create the notes, it will surely help you out. ठीक है ना? Now if I will go here and I will see that this is the my sidebar, ठीक है ना? If I will cut this, control X, control S, and I will go here, so you will see that this is the sidebar has gone. चला गया? Because I am I have done the n number of theme integration, so I know how themes has get built, but you have to do that. For you guys, you have to spend lots of time. Okay na? So what I'm, oh sorry, this is sidebar, side left menu. Okay, I have put the left menu name. Okay na? So what I am going to do is I am going to put this here, Control S, and what I am going to do is go to TS file, copy this selector, Control C, go to our component and put this here. Okay, now you got it what I have done. ठीक है ना? नहीं है तो पूछो. हाँ, that's not that I will not tell you. That's just we want that you should do the means revision also. So I have done this. My left menu is also coming. After that, what is this is, if I will go, this is the page actually. If I will remove this, cut. ठीक है ना? Control S. What is the page right now?
Okay. Controllers are like user controls.
Controllers are like users control in your ASP.NET. ठीक है ना? And we'll show you what this means is also. So what I had cut this, I cut this part, but it is not giving any impact. Okay. So what is okay, main content. I will again Control X and I will save this file. Okay, I believe this should, the HTML of the middle part should gone. Okay, no, it is not going. ठीक है ना? So still it is coming. Okay, so what is gone? So what I am going to do is I am going to create one more notepad file. I will put this here and I will try to understand what is this content is. So what is this placeholder search bar? Okay, so in this page might be there is something like here which is search bar is coming, which is because of our integration it is going out. हाँ, ये जो ये सर्च बार है ना, this is the search bar. We'll keep this aside because right now we are not integrating any writing the code. Might be to visualize this we have to write some JavaScript code for this, and this is not we have integrated. We have to write that code for with us, and we are now our focus is only to create the theme, and then we'll integrate these all things. This search bar is all is nothing. We will do very well these all things, no worry. I will keep this file with me, okay, and we'll integrate this thing later. We have to understand where is this data tables are. So Control C, which is our main content. Okay, I will go here, Control F, Control V. This is the data table and this is the section ID main content. So it is the main content which is we have to cut this. Okay, and if I will cut this, what is the output is now? It has gone. So now what I have to do is in my user list component I am going to put this Control A, Control V, Control S, and if you will see that, okay, I will go again here, QDN selector, app component.html. Okay, I am going to put this here, so it will start to show. ठीक है ना? कोई बात नहीं, we have to integrate this. I will go here and it will start to show. ठीक है ना? It will start to show everyone. ठीक है ना? But in one page, do we require the n number of tables? नहीं ना, हमको एक ही चाहिए ना. Basic data table we can keep, or we can keep which table you want to keep in this page. हम लोग एक ही रखेंगे, बाकी सब डिलीट कर देते हैं. So we'll keep only basic data table and all other table will remove. क्योंकि in one page we don't technically we put always one table na. I am going to copy this, Control C. I am going to do Control F, not in this user list component.html. Control F, Control V. Okay, this is div 12, this is div 12, this is div 12. I know if I will remove this all, Control X and Control S, it will become my one page, and which is purely integrated with my proper data, right?